Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders. Welcome back to the show.
I'm Nas.
And I'm Brandon.
And these are your news and announcements for today, February 4th.
Welcome back, Raiders. Save the date. Junior class ASB will be revealing the prom theme soon. Make sure to follow CIHS ASB 2026 on Instagram. This week begins the 2025 WASC visit to our school. WASC stands for the Western Association and Schools and Colleges. They are here to identify our strengths and weaknesses, to evaluate the islands as a school. Please welcome them and be sure to introduce yourselves if you see visitors on our campus. Raiders, the 2024-2025 CI yearbook needs your help. Do you have a celebrity lookalike? Send us both your photo and the name of the celebrity to be featured in this brand new 2-page spread. Use the QR code on your screen to submit your images.
Now we go to Coach Juarez.
Good morning, Raiders. Hey, a couple announcements. Tomorrow, Wednesday, I have a CSUCI coming over here and helping out seniors with their financial aid. So they're going to be here helping you, walking you guys through all the steps to fill out your financial aid. So if you haven't filled that out, hey, sign up. It's on the Google Classroom. If not, stop by the College Career Center to register for that. Again, that is on Wednesday. That is tomorrow. The other thing we got going on is the College Readiness for Oxnard College, which is for juniors and sophomores at the end of the month. You'll see some posters around campus. Go ahead and fill that out. Scan the QR code. If not, just stop by the College Career Center and sign up for that. All right, peace.
Thank you, Coach Juarez.
Raiders, this year's yearbook is on sale. Go to www.yearbookordercenter.com and put in your school's code 8464. Or you can see Miss Alcala in the student store to buy yours today. Yearbook prices are $85 and $75 for teachers and staff. Welcome back to the show. If you guys have any recommendations for the show, feel free to contact us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com.
Upcoming events.
Open house will take place on Thursday, February the 6th from 6 to 8 p.m. Bring your families and friends to the CI gym for open house. Dear CIHS families, please save the date and join our next ELAC meeting on Wednesday, February the 5th at 6 in the Library Media Center. We will begin our nomination process for next academic year. We need your participation and support. Sporting news, sports on tap. Here's all your sporting news for the week.
Girls soccer kicks off their senior night home at Santa Paula. JV kicks off at 4:30 and varsity 6. Boys varsity soccer travels to Santa Paula at 6 p.m. The boys basketball will host Santa Paula right here for their senior night at 7 p.m. Come out and support our winter teams. Community school announcements. We're excited to invite you to our second session with VCPH. We will be focused on choking awareness. This is a session we'll cover over the recognizing the signs of choking and when to take action. Please refer to the attached flyer for more details.
To sign up, simply scan the QR code or use the provided link. Check out the schedule for the Recon Wellness Center. Want us to spread your word about your club or fundraiser here on the show? Want your photo shown on the Raider mural after the show? Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. That is all your news and announcements for today. Make it a great day, Raiders.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Life. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.